Hi, my name is Lolo Ndlovu, founder and CEO of the Sneaker Shack. And the value that I add to the world would be kindness and generosity. I think I have a huge capacity for generous attribution, and I think the world needs a little bit more generosity. Yeah, I think that's what I add. So the Sneaker Shack is a sneaker laundry service founded in 2016, and we're essentially a sneaker laundry. That is bringing your sneakers in, if they're dirty or a little bit scuffy, and we get them back to almost as new as possible of a condition as we can. I think I decided to do something so unusual and hard because I'm a little bit of a sucker for hard things, especially if it's against conventional data or wisdom. Sneaker Shack was an idea that on paper did not seem too easy or too obvious, but you dig deeper and there's a whole market opportunity, and that kind of really excited me. Kind of traveling the road less traveled in entrepreneurship, and somehow that always seems to get me up in the morning. We work really hard every day to try to make the process as simple as possible. So there are two options. The first option is our retail option. So you walk into a store, no appointments required. You check in your shoes using a QR code. We get all your information. You select a clean based on what's offered on the menu. 6 cleans offered on the menu. There's advice given to you based on how your shoes look like. And then that exchange happens. Your shoes then get cleaned, and 48 hours later we'd send you a collection SMS. You'd come back to store and collect your sneakers. So that's the kind of retail, how it works. And then the second option is our pickup and delivery option. We use it every day, whether it's Take-A-Lot or Uber Eats. You go to the website, you book a clean. We come next day, we collect them, and similar process in store. And 48 hours later, we're back at your door. The response has been great. We worked really hard to get the initial product market fit. So that was always going to be the trick there. Is there enough of a business to kind of sustain the idea? And I think once we've answered those questions, it was always about building on top of what we had. So the journey's been really good. It's about 4.5 years now. We're 9 branches in, and I think consumers are loving us because we actually solve a problem that exists in the market, and that's always really good to know that you're building a business around actual problems. I think some of the lessons I would tell myself if I was to go back would be to probably trust myself more. If you have if you've got 70% of the answers, don't waste too much time trying to find the other 30. 70% is a good enough pass, and probably go off and try to prove that, and at some point the 30% kind of finds you. So yeah, try to not fall into the perfectionist trap. So you can get hold of us on Instagram at the Sneaker Shack SA, on Twitter, Sneaker Shack SA, all the social medias, our website, www.thesneakershack.co.za. We've got 9 stores around Joburg. You can go to the website to check us out, some in Cape Town as well. And yeah.